First, click on Custom Size. Set the canvas to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to Upload. Add your product image. Remove its background. Add your second image. Remove its background as well. Go to Photos. Search for water. Add a photo. Remove its background. Now adjust both product images like us. Adjust the water image as well. After this, go to Elements, search for Blue Water Splash. Go to Graphics. Add a splash element. Then adjust its size and position. Add another one, and adjust its size and position too. Next, select the water and bring it to the front. Now search for water drops. Add a small drops element. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Search for a pink peony flower. Go to Photos, add a flower PNG. Place it in different positions. Sending some flowers to the back and some to the front. After this, go to Photos and search for a pink square gradient. Add an image. Click on More and set the image as the background. Now, add a heading and type your first text. Search for Glacial Indifference. Choose the Glacial Indifference regular font. Change the font size to 50 pixels. Make it uppercase. Change the color to pink. Duplicate this font. Type your text. Choose Glacial Indifference bold. Change the font size to 60 pixels. Change its color to deep pink. Next, go to Elements. Search for divider line elements. Go to Graphics. Add an element. Change its color to deep pink. Now, adjust their positions. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in.
Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.